Hi everyone, welcome to our latest tech guide. Today, we're diving into how to record your computer screen using OBS Studio, making it super easy even for beginners. Forget about Bob, who's always making excuses for not learning OBS. You're here to master it, and I'm here to help you do just that. Let's jump right in. First steps with OBS Studio. Download and install. If you haven't already, make sure to download and install OBS Studio. Getting started, run OBS Studio. You'll be greeted with the user interface and an auto configuration wizard. If you don't see it, no worries. Just head to Tools and click on Auto Configuration Wizard. Optimize for recording. In the wizard, select Optimize only for recording and hit Next. Canvas and resolution settings. Resolution settings. The resolution should typically match your monitors. We recommend a frame rate of 60 FPS, but you can opt for 30 FPS if that's your target footage quality. Apply OBS recommended settings. OBS will suggest some settings based on your system. Go ahead and apply these. Configuring OBS output settings. Output mode. In settings, navigate to output. You can toggle between advanced and simple. Let's keep it simple for now. Audio bitrate and recording path. Set your audio bitrate to 320 and choose a recording path that suits your storage preferences. Recording quality and format. Most will do well with high quality. Select MKV as your recording format, which will eventually convert to MP4. Choosing an encoder. Depending on your graphics card, you'll have different encoder options like X264 for CPU and NVENC for NVIDIA GPUs. Pick the one that matches your hardware. Audio and video setup. Audio settings. Set your sample rate to 48 kHz and choose your desktop and mic audio sources. Video resolutions. Keep both the canvas and scaled resolutions the same for consistency. Remember, 60 FPS is our go-to unless you have other plans. Hotkeys and advanced settings. Hotkeys. Set up keyboard shortcuts for starting and stopping recordings. Feel free to explore and customize this to your liking. Advanced options. Set the process priority to above normal or high for optimal recording. Choose Rec 709 color format unless you're on a low-end system, then go for sRGB. Adding sources to OBS. Display capture. Click the plus button in Sources, add display capture, and rename the scene. For example, desktop capture. Game capture. Similarly, add a game capture scene if you're recording gameplay. Make sure your game is recognized by OBS for seamless recording. Troubleshooting game capture. If your game doesn't fit the screen, adjust the game's resolution or manually scale the game capture in OBS. Audio mixer and recording. Balancing audio. Play around with the audio mixer sliders to ensure your voice is clear over the game or desktop sound. Recording. Select your scene, hit Start Recording, and when you're done, click Stop Recording. OBS will automatically convert your recordings from MKV to MP4. Locating and playing back recording. Go to File, then Show Recordings to locate your files. Focus on the MP4 format and feel free to delete the MKV files. Conclusion. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an OBS wizard. Check out my other videos for more tips and tricks. Have an amazing day and happy recording.